One of my Christmas decorations that I had to do a little bit of work on this year were these animated musical bells. You can see them strung across the top of my drapes here, and they flash in time with the music that you hear playing. They're from a company called Mr. Christmas, and I imagine you could call them vintage. They're probably 25 years old or so now. I got them out of storage this year, and 3 of the bulbs were burned out. Took forever to untangle the cords. Be careful when you're wrapping these up to store them if you have them, because those cords and bells get all tangled in with each other. It took me, probably 45 minutes to get them all untangled. And then I wasn't sure what size bulb I needed to run them with. So it was some trial and error and some internet deep investigation. I came up with the right bulbs. I got these on Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description in case you have bulbs you need for your Mr. Christmas animated light set. And these are the ones I picked up. They were very inexpensive. CEC miniature lights. And this particular one is size 483S. Here's what they look like. I think this is called the E base. It's exactly what you need if you're working on the Mr. Christmas light set. I know it's kind of late in the year this year, but you want to be ready for next year. If your strand, you've been using it this year and you've got some burned out bulbs, you might as well get these light bulbs now, order them on Amazon, and get them installed before you put your Christmas decorations away for the year. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas, everyone.